Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to language class. In today's language class, we shall work with the language workbook. In the language workbook, open page number 90 where we have an activity to write the words and circle all the applicable adjectives. We have already completed the similar activity in the previous class. The given picture is of peacock. We shall write the word peacock here. Then we have few words here. From the word list, we have to choose the applicable adjective for the word peacock. Blue, blue peacock. Graceful peacock. Elegant peacock and beautiful peacock. These are the suitable adjectives for the word peacock. The next picture given is pineapple. We shall write the word pineapple in the space provided. Then we have to choose the applicable adjectives for the word pineapple. Juicy pineapple, yellow pineapple, sweet pineapple and sour pineapple. These are the suitable adjectives for the word pineapple. Let us circle them. Then we have one more activity to write the adjectives in the first blank and nouns in the second blank by looking at the given picture. The given picture is of bell. This is a yellow bell. Bell is a noun, yellow is an adjective. The next picture given is of car. This is a yellow car. Car is a noun, yellow is an adjective. Cabbage. This is a green cabbage. Cabbage is a noun and green is an adjective. Write the opposites for the underlined adjective. A soft bed. Here, bed is a noun and soft is an adjective. So we have to write the opposite word for the word soft. Opposite word for the word soft is hard. A hot day. Hot is an adjective here. We have to write the opposite word for the word hot. Hot, cold. After completing the activities in page number 90, let us move on to page number 91 where we have review 6 of adjectives. Write the comparative and superlative forms of the adjectives. Clean shirt. The comparative degree for the word clean is cleaner and superlative form is cleanest. Clean, cleaner, cleanest. The next adjective given is dirty. Comparative form is dirtier and superlative form is dirtiest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Now, we have still more activities in review 6. They are to write a word and circle all the applicable adjectives. The picture given is of bag. We shall write the word bag in the space provided. Then, we have to circle the applicable adjectives for the word bag. Round bag, small bag, big bag, useful bag, soft bag, red bag and pretty bag. These are the suitable adjectives for the word bag. Then we have few more activities here to do. Write adjectives in the first blank and nouns in the second. The given picture is of button. This is a blue button. Here, button is a noun and blue is an adjective. The next picture given is of ship. This is a big ship. Ship is a noun and big is an adjective. Write the opposite of the underlined adjective. Here we have two pictures and corresponding sentences. A young man. Man is a noun. Young is an adjective. We have to write the opposite word for the word young. The opposite word for the word young is old. The next picture is of pencil, a sharp pencil. Here pencil is a noun, sharp is an adjective. For the word sharp we need to write the opposite word. The opposite word for the word sharp is blunt. Dear parents, the activities in page number 90 and 91 has been completed and taught to the children in the school itself. For those who are not attending the classes physically, kindly take care of them to learn these concepts. Then we have an assignment in language practice book in page number 42 and page number 43 to write appropriate adjectives from the given list. In the right corner of the page, we have a list of adjectives. We have to write the appropriate adjective for the given nouns. Dear parents, kindly go through the video to help your child to complete the given assignment in page number 42 and page number 43. Thank you.